Toy Story time!
Hey guys, Royce time here. Today I'm going to show you the Playmobil building sets I put together to make a forest. And then I'm going to put some Playmobil wild animals in here later. Here I'm going to place a crocodile by the water. And then I'm going to put some flamingos here. Here's a goose. Then let's put a fish in the water. Here's a baby crocodile. And another baby crocodile. Another goose trying to drink water. And here's a hippo. Here's a panda. An adult one. A baby panda or a cub. And another adult panda. Here's a deer. Another deer, and a young deer or a fawn. And here's a lynx cat and baby lynx cats or kittens. Here I'm going to put a snake, and here's a wild pig and wild piglets. And here's a tiger and another tiger. And here's a baby tiger or a cub. And let's put a snake under the tree. Here's a big chimpanzee and a young chimpanzee. And also, I'm going to put a duck on the water. And here's a gray snake under the bush. Then I'm going to put this owl on the tree. A bird on the tree. Another bird. Here's a leopard and baby leopards or cubs. And here's a nest with eggs on the tree. And also I'm going to put a gorilla right here by the tree. And here's a baby gorilla. And another baby gorilla. And orangutan on top. This is a male and this is a female orangutan. The male looks different from the female. And here's some baby orangutans or infants. Okay, those are the Playmobil wild animals I put together in this small forest I made using the Playmobil building sets. And here is my Playmobil safari animals. And now I'm going to build a set for the safari animals using my Playmobil collection. So these are my Playmobil Safari Animals collection. I have here a young chimpanzee and adult chimpanzee. I have two snakes here, orange and gray. Here's two baby crocodiles and an adult crocodile. Here's a spider monkey and a baby monkey. Next, we have the meerkats. They are so cute. Then we have the orangutans. We have an adult and a young one. We have okapis, a young okapi and a big one. We have an ostrich. We have giraffes. Here's the zebras. Here's the lions. So we have a male lion, a lioness, and a cub. We have gorillas, an adult and a young one. We have hippopotamus or hippos. Oh, they have huge mouth. We have a rhinoceros or a rhino. And lastly, we have an elephant. And now I'm going to set up the scenery for the safari animals. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and click those thumbnails to watch more fun videos here at Racy Time channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.